Now this illustration is dealing with ungrounded systems and their grounding connections in accordance with 250.24E. Now the previous illustration, we looked at a grounded system. But notice the grounding electrode conductor here is used in the same manner. We just have the grounded conductor connected to the chassis ground of the transformer and connected to the common grounding bar in the illustration. So the note kind of explains it really. It says the equipment grounding conductors and metal conduit and the cables plus the metal of such wiring methods shall be connected to earth ground at the service equipment grounding points. But we can use the chassis ground as the grounded conductor of the system that would return signals and so forth. But notice it's sized in the same way. If you had 4-volt conductors from the transformer through the meter to the main, where you're connecting to a 225 amp main with 4-volt conductors, good for 230 amps, then it would be a number 2 grounded chassis ground. So here you're not grounding the transformer. So we're connecting to the chassis ground so we can pick up a signal if any L1, L2, or L3 went to ground. Now, notice you have supply side grounding and you have load side. So 250.24E as an ED works right in conjunction with 250.130A for ungrounded systems and 250.130B for load side grounding. So all your sections are listed here so that the ones I feel is important for you to look at. And then you may have some sections that you feel is important based upon the type of installation you're making. But these are your basic installations with the general rules and requirements listed by section. And that's what figure 16-29 is illustrating.